Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, the things that I like to do are unboxings, and I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants. Sometimes here in Ohio, mainly around the world. I mean, I prefer to vlog around the world, but I do live in Ohio, so quite a few restaurants here in Ohio get our attention. But today, I am unboxing Bath Bevy for you. So this is April's Bath Bevy, and if I remember correctly, I did not care much for March's Bath Bevy, but let's check it out. So you open it up and it has really pretty sparkly paper here, and then it has a sticker that says Bath Bevy. And I'm going to rip that open. And I would just like to mention, I did have about 6 glasses of wine for dinner, an equivalent of about 18 ounces. So we'll see how this video goes. So the first thing I see here off the bat is a Soak in Luxury Bath Bevy. And on the, ooh, something smells really good in here. On the reverse side of this are all the products listed. There are not prices. Wow, something smells really good in here. So, you know, last month I didn't really care for this box. I was kind of iffy about some of the products. Okay, so we have the products on the back of this card, and there is not a breakdown of prices. I do not remember how much this box cost. I will put it on the screen. But let's go ahead and dig in. So the first thing I see in here is Masquerade, 12 mini masks, crystal clear. And it looks like these are brighten and clarify masks, and they come in these little crystal shapes here, which is interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. Let's take a peek. Crystal Clear Mini Face Masks by Masquerade. Brightening, clarifying, hydrating, soothing, and calming. Never forget that you're a gem with these adorable mini masks. And then you can use a code, BathBevy20, to save 20% on masquerade.com, and it expires at the end of this month. So again, I guess there are many masks in here that are these shapes, and I guess you just kind of place them on your face in different positions. That's a little strange to me. I think something like this would be fun for a child, not so much for an adult. As an adult in her 40s, I would like a mask that completely covers my face except for my eye holes and my mouth hole. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. I will come back at a later date to tell you. The next thing I see in here is a Belusia Wellness Candle in Relaxed, and it's also, I guess, in the color Amethyst, and it's a crystal infused candle. This is what it looks like. You can kind of hear some shaking going on in there. That's what it says. And let's open it up. Oh goodness. Okay, so it looks like there are some loose crystals in here, but there are also some crystals that are amethysts that are melted in the mask, or in the candle. No, that 18 ounces of wine did not affect me in any way, shape, or form. So it looks like there are some crystals here just kind of hanging out, but then there are actual crystals that are embedded in the candle wax, which is fine. It smells okay. Oops, I just got lipstick on the candle. So, I mean, it smells okay. I smell a citrus. So, the Relaxed Wellness Candle by Belusha Wellness Candles. It's crushed natural amethyst crystals top this relaxing candle scented with a pure essential oil blend of lavender, lemongrass, and Peru balsam. I've never heard of that. It burns for 20 hours. So I do smell the lemongrass in here. I'm not sure if I smell the lavender. God, this lid is so difficult to get off. Like, it's not a screw-on lid. It's just kind of like a pull-off lid, and I can't. So I smell the lemongrass. I guess I kind of smell the lavender. I don't know. I think I smell the lemongrass the most, though. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is a Blue Poppy Rose Quartz, a bath scoop. And it looks like this. Ooh. And obviously it's nighttime here, so I am using the lighting that blinds me. So, you know, that's always kind of a little rough because now I'm seeing black spots. Okay, this might have been what I was smelling when I first opened this up. This smells really good. Oh, I really like that. Crumble soap. Oh, I'm sorry. Crumble scoop under warm running water in the bath for a bubbly goodness. Agitate water for more bubbles. And it just says fragrance. It doesn't tell me what, so that tells me it is not full of essential oils, which is a problem for me. But I do like it. What does it smell like? So this is Rose Quartz Bath Scoop by Blue Poppy Bath and Body. Hold bubble bar scoop under running bath water and create tons of fluffy bubbles and release its lovely scent. It doesn't tell me what it smells like, though, which is kind of irritating. What is that? What is that? I have not had that much fucking wine. I know that I'm not that fucking drunk. What is this? I don't know. I can't figure it out. Let's move on, shall we? So the next thing ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that has crystals in it. That's really pretty. Okay, so the next thing we have here is, okay, so this is Geode Bath Bomb by Butter Me Soft. And it says matches for your candle. So I'm assuming it matches the candle because on the inside there it has crystals. That's kind of cool. And it's a bath bomb. That's kind of cool. I like that. What I can smell, it's not that great, but let's see. It says this Gemstone Beauty is scented with a blend of sweet mandarin, osmanthus, myrrh, rich benzoin, and labdanium, and either pink or teal. So I got the teal, but I do not smell sweet mandarin because I'm know what that smells like. And I do not smell that. I do not know what osmanthus is. I would say it kind of smells like myrrh, but eh. Okay, moving right along. The next, oh, there's a couple things in here. What is this? Hello. So, what is the... I just don't even know what happened right now. Hold on. So, this would be the matches for your candle. So okay. So that must be, matches for your candle is separate from the geode bath bomb, because these are the matches for your candle. And those don't really smell like anything particular. I mean, it kind of smells like the box in general, but this goes with this, which is cool. And that's where 6 glasses of wine get you in the end. Okay, next we have Red Ruby Soap Bar Mini Lather Bubble Cleanse. So that looks like that. And it's a bath bar. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, I like that. Okay, so this is Red Ruby Goat Milk Soap by Mad and Mac. This luxurious bar of soap is scented with Mad and Mac. Okay, that's what I smell. I smell the black cherry and the almond. Well, it says almond biscotti, but I smell the almond, and it says juicy pear. What I smell is the black cherry and almond. And that does smell really good. I do like that. So that's really nice. And then the next and the last thing in here, this is Pink Diamonds Sea Salt Soak by Bath Bevy. Soak in these pretty pink Himalayan sea salts scented in vanilla, French pear, and cashmere musk. That sounds really expensive. Eco-friendly, biodegradable glitter. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this since it's just salt. And I will say that smells okay. And it's just big chunks of salt, which is fine. That'll be fun for the tub. I actually do like that. Upon first sniff, I don't care for it, but once I pull it out and I actually smell the individual piece, it's really greasy. Can you see all the grease on my finger, or maybe the oil on my fingers there? Oh, and there's also, can you see the glitter? I don't know if you can see the glitter on my fingers. But that actually smells really nice too. So, all right, let's do a recap. Let me get this out of my hands. To recap, we have the Pink Diamonds. Ooh, that's bright. The pink, there we go. Pink Diamond Sea Salt. I will definitely use that. The Red Ruby Soap. I do like the smell of that. This bath bar, or this bath bomb. I can't really smell it through the plastic. So I'll come back and let you know about that. This smells really good through the plastic, but I can't identify what that is that I'm smelling. And that's almost infuriating. I mean, that's not the wine talking. It's infuriating because it just says well, not on here. On here, it just says fragrance, and that's really kind of infuriating. So I don't know. I don't know what that is. And then we got the candle and we got the matches for the candle. Am I doing that right? Okay, there we go. All right, so that is Bath Bevy for the month of April. I am not entirely sure how I feel about this box. Maybe once I sober up a little bit, I will. Once I sober up a little bit, maybe I will have a more definitive feel for this box. I do know that I like the soap. I do know that I like the smell of this, but what bothers me about oh wait, I forgot about that. Oops. Okay, so what bothers me about this is that it's not fragranced with essential oils. It just says the word fragrance in the ingredients, and that kind of bothers me as far as this bath bomb is concerned. That's just something personal for me that I don't care for. Even though I like the smell of this bath bomb, it bothers me that it doesn't list what it's for. It just says fragrance, and that bothers me. I would much rather have like a list of essential oils here, similar to this. This has a list of oils that it is fragrance with. So even though I can't really smell it through the plastic, I'm gonna be less afraid to use this than I am this, because this says that it's fragranced with essential oils. And then I also forgot about these masks. I mean, I don't know how I feel about this. This to me is just weird. Like, I'm a grown woman. I want a full face mask that covers my entire face. I don't want little pieces of face mask that I can put here and here and here. Like, I want something that covers my entire face. So, God, this video is really long. I am so sorry. I am looking at almost 20 minutes here. Maybe filming this with some glasses of wine under my belt wasn't a great idea. Anyway, I will actually come back and I will let you know better how I feel about this box after I've used these things. I hope you have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.